everybody, welcome to our channel. We are coming to Oak Glen today near Ukaipa for some apple picking, and we're a little bit a ways from all of the farms, and here are all of the cars and parking. So we are going to be looking for some parking, and I will be showing you some highlights of our trip while we're here and some of the really cute things. That's Riley's right there. Famous farm, goes back to the 1800s. There are thousands and thousands of acres of apples up here. Just about every variety that you can think of, and lost varieties too, which is why we are coming up here. Stone Soup Farm. That's cute. You pick apples. Country store, cafe, bakery, pick apples, entertainment. Some of the apple trees right there. You pick, waffle. What's that one? Los Rios. Once a you pick. Lots of people in there picking apples. This one must be Apple Annie's, maybe? You pick corn maze. I think that's parking for that one. Snowline apples and cider. And a winery. Oh, that's where they have the apple cider donuts. Christian Conference Center, Oak Glen.
In 800 feet, you will arrive at your destination. You have arrived.
I've arrived.
Yeah, this is just a house. So this is where they have a bunch of stuff for kids to do. They have a big slide, entertainment, all kinds of cool stuff here. over there.
Not full.
Yeah, it's all full. Wow. Crowded. But it's also 2, I think almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Apple Blossom Ranch. There's like a little artisan's place right there. Mercantile. I think that's where we got your sign right there.
Where?
Yeah. Cider. Okay. Okay, this is the Mercantile where we're at right now. Mercantile, we just got some pie and a turnover. A little bit of this. There's a little craft thing going on over there. We walked over there, not too much over there. And then Apple Annie's restaurant is straight down there. Some of our favorite garlic garni. You guys can order this online. It's from the Garlic Festival, and it is some of the best seasonings you can get other than what you make at home. This is the old apple cider press. Okay, so over here is the press where you pick your apples right here. I can't get too close because there's bees and I'm allergic to bees. These are all the different apples that you choose from, and then you bring them over here and you put them in a press and you grind the apples in a grinder and then press them down in a press and make your own apple cider, which I would absolutely love to do. My EpiPen is in the other car. We brought our other car, so I can't go near this, unfortunately. This is actually what I really wanted to do here today. So, on to looking for apples. Okay, hello everybody. We are here at an apple orchard in Glen, California, and these are some of the apples I will be bringing home with me to make some apple butter and some apple jelly. We got some apple cider, which is absolutely amazing. Just want to show you a little bit around the store. So we got this gallons of apple cider, and well, we got 2 half gallons because I'm going to make jelly, and then I want to drink some, and maybe some apple butter out of the apples. I just want to show you, this is what it looks like in here with all of the stuff. Really cool. If you guys are in town in Southern California, this is the place to go for some apples. You pick apples right across the street there, and yeah, really cool. Freshest you can get and no chemicals.